So hello guys, so the topic today is about properties of fluids. So this topic is under the fluid mechanics guys. So masarap tong pag-aralan habang maulan guys. Compute nyo yung mga tumutulo guys. Gets? So dito guys, tatake lang natin mga basic properties when it comes to fluids. Mga basic pa lang to guys, parang thermodynamics 1 introduction pa lang to. So kung mapapansin nyo, weight is equal sa mg, familiar na kayo dyan. Mass density or also known as the density ng tinatawag nating rho, yung symbol na to, rho, is mass per unit of volume. So ito yung mga constant. Density ng tubig, 1,000 kg per cubic meter. At yung density naman ng water sa English is 1.94 slug per cubic foot. Density of air, 1.2 kg per cubic meter. And then 0.075 guys. Gets. For the specific volume naman guys, specific volume is volume per unit of mass or 1 over the density. So next is the specific weight or the weight density. Yung ganito yung sign, no guys. Gamma yung tawag doon na. This is unit of weight per unit of volume or density times the gravity guys. Gets? Yung gravity, yun yung 9.81 meter per seconds at yung 32.2. So gets naman yun guys. Gravity. And then ito yung mga specific volume of air and the water guys. So sa tubig na to guys, pwede itong maging 9810, di ba? Newton per cubic meter. Pag ginawa natin itong kilonewton, magiging 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter, di ba guys? Gets naman yun. Paano naging ganun guys? Times mo lang na 1,000 newton of 1 kilonewton. Cancel yung newton, 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Gets guys? Okay, next for the specific gravity, it is the density of the fluid or the substance over the density of standard. Standard, kadalasan tubig lang naman yun. The density of water is 1,000 kg per cubic meter or specific weight of the substance over the specific weight of the standard, which is the water guys. Ito yung mga constant na kadalasan lumalabas, oil, mercury, water, and ocean. Yung ocean, pwede rin tong seawater guys, parehas lang yun. So next for the bulk modulus of elasticity guys. So for the bulk modulus is the delta P over the delta V over V guys. Gets? So yan yung formula for the bulk modulus. So for the delta P naman guys, it is the change in pressure. Delta V, change in volume, and the V is for the original volume. So, the bulk modulus, guys, is the measure of the resistance of fluid to compression. So, gets guys, resistance to ng isang fluid na kung saan kinocompress siya, guys, to compression. Resistance of a fluid to compression, guys. Gets ba, guys? So, wait lang. For the bulk modulus of elasticity guys, meron tong tawag dito. So for the delta P guys, yung delta P is the change in pressure. So wait, eto to. Bulk compressibility guys. So for the compressibility guys, it is the reciprocal of the bulk modulus, which is E 1 all over E guys. So I think yan lang guys. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa guys for the compressibility guys. Compressibility is the fractional change in volume per unit of pressure. So proceed tayo siguro sa ating problem solving guys. Formula dependent naman to guys. So, for the problem number 1, if a 20 liters volume of a certain fluid has a mass of 25 kilograms, determine the fluid mass density, that is the rho, weight density, that is the specific weight, and the relative density is the specific gravity and the specific volume, guys. Ang daming pinapanap. Oh, raw. So first, volume is 20 liters. O yan, 20 liters and the mass is 25 kilograms. Determine the fluid mass density. It is the mass per unit of volume. Mass is 25 kilograms. 20 liters. The liters, 1,000 liters, guys, conversion yan, guys, is equal sa 1 cubic meter. Cancel to, cancel. Kilogram per cubic meter. So, anong answer dyan then? Guys, is 1250 kilogram per cubic meter. This is for the mass density. So, wait lang, nipisil lang natin, guys. Masyadong makapal. O, next is for the specific weight. Specific weight, guys. Wait. Specific weight, it is the unit of weight per unit of volume, di ba? So, kaso, sa specific weight, guys, meron din tayong formula na pinakita ko kanina. Rho G. Wait lang, no? Pakita ko, guys. Baka naligaw kayo. Ito, kita nyo ba yung pinilog ko sa taas, guys? Oh. So, guys, dapat memorize nyo na yung mga formula yun para hindi kayo nalilito. And then, 20 liters of a volume, certain fluid. So, wait, nasa na yung ballpen ito? Density is 1 to 50 kilogram per cubic meter. The G is 9.81 meter per second squared. Specific weight is 2262.5 Newton per cubic meter, guys. That is the specific weight. Next, the relative density, guys. SG is equal sa pwedeng density of the fluid over the density of the water or yung standard. Standard kadalasan yung tubig or specific weight of the fluid or specific of water. So, SG, shotgun, guys. O, density of the fluid, ano yun? 1 to 50. Ito yan, no? Ito gets kilogram per cubic meter. All over the density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Cancel to. Cancel yung units. 1 to 50 divide 1,000 is 1.25. So, remember that the specific gravity is unitless, guys. So, next is the specific volume. Si unit of volume per unit of mass. Pwede naman yan, guys. Pero mas mabilis, pwede naman siyang maging 1 all over the density. Specific volume is 1 all over 1 to 50 kilogram per cubic meter is equal sa 8 times 10 raised to negative 4 cubic meter per kilogram, guys. Gets, guys? So, paano to? So, 0.0008 cubic meter per kilogram. Gets naman, guys. So, paano nangyari to? Negative side. So, dito yan mag-start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beses na maglalakad. So, sabay tuldok. Then, lagay ka lang ng 0 sa unahan, guys. Gets? Pag negative sign, no? Pag positive naman, ganito yung lakad niya. Pa-right. Gets na yun, guys. Nasagot na ba lahat? Yep. So, next is the specific gravity of a certain oil is 0.81. Calculate its specific weight in pound per cubic foot and in kilonewton per cubic meter and the mass density in slugs per cubic foot and kilogram per cubic meter. So, calculate the specific gravity of a certain oil, guys. So, paano yan? Sa SG, shotgun. So, saan na yun? Certain calculates the specific weight, guys. So, ano nga ba yung specific weight natin, guys? Di ba meron tayong formula dyan, guys? SG, specific weight of the fluid over specific weight of the standard, di ba? Tandaan nyo na lang mga formulas, guys. So, plug and play na lang yan, guys. Yung SG, 0.81. The density of the fluid is unknown. So, nilagay ko na lang F. F means fluid, guys. And then, the density of the water, guys, ay specific weight of the water in English, guys, is 62.4 pounds per cubic foot. Cross-multiply mo yan, guys. Specific of the fluid is equals to 0.81 times 62.4. 50.544 pound per cubic foot, guys. Sa mga decimal units, guys, kayo nang bahala. Tanong nyo lang sa teacher nyo kung paano yun. Kung ilan units pala. So, ito na yan. Meron na tayo. Tapos dito naman, kilonewton. Specific weight of the fluid. Specific weight of water. SG. SG is 0.81. Specific weight of the fluid is unknown. The then specific weight of the water in English, guys, is 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. Yan yung pinakita ko kanina. Pero nandun sa papel is 9810 Newton per cubic meter. So, 1,000 Newton, convert mo lang ng 1 kilonewton, guys. Cancel to, cancel. 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. So, specific weight of the fluid is equals to 0.81 times 9.81 is 7.946 kilonewton per cubic meter, guys. Kilonewton to, no, guys. Pangit ng sulat, no, guys. O game. Next is the density of the fluid, guys. So, the density of the fluid, paano yun, guys? SG pa rin. Density of the fluid over the density of H2O nalagay ko, no, guys, which is tubig lang naman yun. 0.81, the density of fluid all over the density. This is a density of the water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter, guys. Ano to? Slugs pala. And then yung isa is what, guys? Kilogram per cubic meter. Tama. The density of fluid, cross-multiply lang to, guys, equals to 0.81 times 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. The density of fluid is ilan yan, guys? 810 kilogram per cubic meter, guys. Okay, next, the slugs naman tayo, guys. The density of the fluid all over the density of water, yan. So, SG, 0.81. Ito yan. Equals the density of fluid is unknown. The density of water in slug, guys, pinakita ko kanina sa papel, guys, which is dapat memorize nyo na yun, 1.94 slugs per cubic foot. Density of fluid, 0.81 times 1.94 slugs per cubic foot. So, the density of fluid is equals sa 1.571 slugs per cubic foot, guys. 1.571, guys. Pagpasensya na yung sulat ko, guys. Pero goods. Proceed na tayo sa susunod. A liquid is compressed in a container that has a volume of 1 liter at a pressure of 1 megapascal and a volume of 0.995 liters at a pressure of 2 megapascal. What is the bulk modulus of elasticity? EB indicates that is the bulk modulus. EB, may formula tayo niyan. The delta P, change in pressure, negative sign ng delta V all over V. Para hindi makalimutan niya formula na yan, memorize nyo to. Pavava. Diba, guys? Speed run. Next, guys. Plug and play na lang yan, guys. Ito, volume 1 to, initial, yan yung sinabi sa problem. A liquid is compressed in a container that has a volume. Yung container, meron daw volume na 1 liter and 1 megapascal. Then, and a volume of 0.995. So, nung na-compress na, nagkaroon na ng change in volume. Napunta sa volume 2 and pressure 2. Kaya yung pressure change in pressure is P2 minus P1 and the delta V is V2 minus V1. Asa na yun? P2 is 2 megapascal minus 1 megapascal. P2 minus P1 megapascal is equal sa Newton per millimeter squared. Sige, megapascal na lang. Yan. Next, the delta V. Negative muna. Delta V, change in volume. V2 minus V1 all over the original volume, guys, which is 1 liters. Nakaliter to, nakaliter din to. Cancel, cancel. So, insert mo sa calculator mo yan, boy. Ano lalabas? Bulk modulus of elasticity, guys, is 200 megapascal. Diba, guys? Gets? O, next, proceed na tayo sa number. Anong problem na tayo? Number 4. Okay. So, what is the specific weight of the air? Nandun ba yung formula nito? Wait lang. Oh. May nakalimutan na yung formula, pero game, proceed na lang. Derive na lang, guys. What is the specific weight of the air at pressure is 500 kilopascal and a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius? So first, specific weight. Medyo mahirap kung iisipin, di ba, guys? Kasi kulang-kulang na yung specific weight daw natin is rho g. And then, weight per unit of volume. Kaso sa mga given na yan, pressure at temperature ang given. Ngayon, dyan papasok ang favorite ng lahat. PV, MRT. Given ka ng pressure, given ka ng temperature. Derive mo lang yan, guys. So, paano natin derive? P is equal sa mass. Divide mo lang ng volume on each side. Cancel, cancel. R and then T. Mass per unit of volume is density. Tapos RT. So, dahil density yun, guys, then proceed tayo. P all over RT is equal sa density. Goods pa, guys. So, note that the density is mass per unit of volume. Sige. P all over RT. Mass per unit of volume. Diba, guys? Binalik ko lang. Pero pinakita ko lang kanina, guys, kasi baka magamit niyo yung formulang ito. Pwede kasi magamit yung formulang yan, guys. Mass per unit of volume. We note that the mass, wait, P all over RT, that the mass is W over mg. Derive mo lang yan. M is magiging W over G. Diba, guys? Yung M natin daw magiging W over G times 1 all over V. Gets pa, guys? Diba ang specific weight is a unit of weight per unit of volume? P all over RT is equal sa specific weight all over G. So, yung nakabilog na to, guys, is the specific weight. So, cross-multiply mo na lang yan, guys. Specific weight is equal sa GP all over RT. Gets, guys? That GP all over RT is the specific weight, guys. Yan yung formula. So, tandaan nyo na rin yan, guys. So, sa madaling salita, para hindi mo makalimutan, guwapong pirata. O, specific weight is GP, guwapo, RT, pirata. Guwapong pirata. O, proceed na tayo. GP over RT. Specific weight is GP all over RT. Oops, wait lang. Specific weight, ano yung G natin, boy? G, based from the choices, it is an SI unit. So, G is 9.81 meter per second squared. P is 500 kilopascal, in which the kilopascal is equal sa kilonewton per meter squared. Over R, sinabi sa problem, guys, air. Air, we note that the R of the air, guys, is 0.0 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, guys. Tandaan nyo na lang to, guys, na ang R daw ng air 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, di ba, guys? Alam nyo yan dati when it comes to thermodynamics 1. Kabisado nyo yan, guys, di ba? Mga iba't ibang klase ng gases like nitric oxide. Yung mga ganun, guys. Methane, di ba? Memories natin dati yun, di ba, guys? Goods na ba tayo? And then yung T is 20 degrees Celsius. Pero sa PVMRT, guys, the temperature is must be in absolute. So, add ka ng 273 para maging Kelvin. Diba, guys? Alam nyo yun, guys. Thermodynamics days natin, guys. Kilojoule is equal sa kilonewton meter. Goods pa, guys. So, wait lang. Cancel to. Kelvin, cancel din to. Kilojoule per kilogram. Yung kilogram aangat, tatabihan sa meter. So, magiging Newton na yan. Kilogram, meter per second squared, that is the Newton. Meron pa bang pwedeng cancel dito, guys? Newton. Wait lang, boy. Kilogram to. So, kilogram, meter per second squared, that is in... Oops, wait. Oh, tama, guys. Newton. Specific weight, diba? Wait lang, guys. Meter per second squared. Ang pangit kasi nasulat, diba, guys? Kilonewton per meter squared all over 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. And then yung isa is 220 plus 273 Kelvin. O yan, guys. Linakyan ko lang. Kilojoule is kilonewton per meter. Cancel to, cancel. Ito, makakancel tong Kelvin, guys. Tapos tong kilogram, aangat, magiging Newton nga to. And then tong meter, guys, pupunta yan sa baba. So, Newton per cubic meter yung sagot. Pinakita ko lang na mas maayos. 293, then 0.81 and 500 is 58.33 Newton per cubic meter, guys. So, goods, guys. So, wait lang, guys. Type ko lang ulit sa Calcu. 9.81 times 500 over 0.287 is 20 plus 273. 58.33, correct. Okay, goods. Proceed na tayo sa problem number 5, mga bro. Oops. Air is kept at the pressure of 200 kilopascal, an absolute. So, lagyan mo na letter A. That means that is an absolute. Temperature of 30 degrees Celsius in a 500 liters container. What is the mass of the air? Sinabi mass of the air, but R of air is 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. So, ano nakita nyo? May P. M. Wala tayong M, pero meron tayong R, meron tayong T. So, umiilaw, di ba, guys? PB, MRT. So, pinapahanap yung mass. So, mass ko sa PB all over RT. So, start na natin. Mass. Pressure. Ano yung pressure? 200 kilonewton per meter squared. Tapos, yung 500 liters, note that 1,000 liter is equal sa 1 cubic meters. 500 liters times 1,000 liters equals sa 1 cubic meters all over R. Ano yung R natin? 0.287 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. And then yung T, note sa PBMRT, dapat absolute lahat yan. Katulad nito, yung P natin is absolute daw. Pero pag hindi naka-absolute yan, gamitin mo to. PATM plus P gauge, di ba? Is equal sa P absolute. Depende sa problem, mababasa mo naman yung guys. Pero sinabi sa problem, absolute, kaya rekta na agad sa formula. So next is 30 plus 273. That is the conversion from the Celsius up to Kelvin. Ang conversion niya is Celsius plus 273. Pag in Rankine naman guys is Fahrenheit plus 460 yun, di ba guys? Sa Rankine. So I hope na-gets naman yun guys. Kelvin. So ano na to? Cancel tong liters. Cancel to. May maiiwang isa. Kilojoule is kilonewton per meter. Cancel to. Cancel din to. Yung meter cancel. Natira ay kilograms. So 1.15 guys. Kilograms. 200, 500, 0.87. So, wait lang guys. So, 30 degrees Celsius. Let me check lang guys. So na tayo. Ito. Last problem. Number 6. Lagyan na lang natin ng part 2 tong video guys. So, a liquid is compressed in a cylinder. In a cylinder, if it has a mass of volume of 1,000 and a pressure of 2 megapascal and a volume of 990 cubic meters at 2.5 megapascal. Compute the bulk modulus of elasticity guys. So, meron yan. Formulang pababa. Change in pressure from temperature 1, volume 1 up to pressure 2, volume 2. So, change in pressure that is P2 minus P1 megapascal all over minus the negative sign 990 minus 1,000 cubic meter all over the original volume guys, that is the 1,000 cubic meter. Cancel. So yung result will be in megapascal guys. So ano yung sagot guys? 50 megapascal. 50 megapascal is the correct answer. So ano pa yung susunod guys? Compute the percentage volume decrease. Ito yun o. Saan na yun? Ayan o. So, in-indicate ko na sa formula percentage volume decrease. Ito yan. The change in volume all over V. Kasi ito guys is V2 minus V1 all over V. Which V is the original volume. So that is the V1. V1 yung original volume. Kasi pag nag V2 na yan guys, hindi yan yung original volume. So V2 all over V1. Separate mo lang yan guys. V1 all over V1. V2 all over V1. V1 all over V1 is 1. So, yan is formula guys for the percentage of the volume. Times mo lang ng 100 nun guys. Gets guys? Saan na yun? Compute the percentage of the volume. So, ganito niyan yung mangyayari guys. Derive natin no? EB delta P all over negative V all over V. Cross multiply ko lang to guys. EB is negative delta V all over V is equal sa delta P. Derive ko lang yung EB guys. Sama ko, sige, yan muna. Negative delta V, cancel to. All over V is equal sa delta P all over EB. Goods pa guys. So, yung negative sign guys, Multiply ko both sides ng negative 1 para lumipat dito yung negative. So, magiging positive dyan to. Equals sa negative delta P all over E bike. Yan. Delta V all over V, that is the compute the percentage of the volume decrease. Negative 50. Ayan o, yung mega, yung Pascal natin dito. 2.5 minus 2. 2.5 minus 2. E-bike. Ano yung e-bike natin guys? 50. So, try ko lang guys. Try kong calculate. 2.5 minus 2 all over T. Ayun. So, the answer must be delta V all over T negative 0.01. Tapos, naka-times siya ng 100% guys to convert in percentage. Times ko lang ng 100 guys. Delta V all over V is equals to negative 1%. The negative, sige, box muna boys. The negative indicates that is the decrease. Compute the percentage of the volume that has been decreased. Negative indicates that is decrease. Yan guys, gets? All last guys, compute the coefficient of compressibility guys. Ito yun Wait lang. Ito, compute the coefficient of compressibility. So, yung letter B yan guys. Beta fish. So, 1 all over E. That is the formula guys. 1 all over yung E natin is 50 megapascal. That is Newton per millimeter squared. Ito ay magiging 1 divide 50, 0.02 millimeter squared per Newton. Gets guys? I hope na gets guys. So yan guys, fluid mechanics yan. Magandang pag-aralan yan ngayong maulan. Like, isolve nyo yung mga tumutulo guys. So fluid mechanics. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you and God bless. Like the video guys. God bless.